Honorable members, my government is making Nari Shakti an integral part of our development journey. Our women deserve equal opportunity. The Rio Olympics, where we took great pride in the performance of P.V. Sindhu, Sakshi Malik, Deepa Karmakar and others, illustrates the strength of our women. Women are being inducted in combat streams of our armed forces. The nation is proud of its first 3 women fighter pilots. This reminds us of what we can achieve as a nation if women are fully empowered and if their skills and talent are optimally utilized. The Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme that addresses the issue of declining child sex ratio is yielding encouraging results. Under the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, launched with an objective of ensuring to secure future to all our girl child, over 1 crore accounts have been opened and an amount of over rupees 11,000 crores has been deposited. The Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan will provide comprehensive antenatal care by a qualified medical practitioner to all pregnant women. The revision of Maternity Benefit Act and enhancement of maternity leave from 12 weeks to 26 weeks will support pregnant women at their workplace. Honorable members, 65% of our population today is below the age of 35. Our youth is our greatest strength, and Yuva Urja needs to be channelized effectively with the motto of Har Haat Ko Hunar. My government has taken several steps for skilling the youth and improving their employability. The work of skill development that was earlier spread across 21 ministries and 50 departments has been brought under one umbrella ministry. The Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana has been launched with a budget outlay of rupees 12,000 crore to train 1 crore youth over the next 4 years. Over 20 lakh youth have already benefited. National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme has been launched with a budget outlay of rupees 10,000 crores. 978 employment exchange spread across the country have been integrated as part of the National Career Service portals. Honorable members, my government has opened new avenues and made higher technical education more accessible to students from economically weaker sections. For the first time, IIT trainees have been provided with academic equivalence at matriculation and higher secondary level through bridge course to enable them to pursue higher education. With the objective of providing training of international standards to youth, a nationwide network of 50 India International Skill Centers is being established. The Pradhan Mantri Yuva Yojana has been launched for promoting entrepreneurship, education and training amongst 7 lakh students. My government has announced a package of rupees 6,000 crores to boost employment generation and exports in the apparel and made-up sectors. The package is expected to generate over 1.1 crore jobs, mostly for women. Honorable members, Shram Eva Jayate, as part of the foremost guiding principles of my government, and several measures have been taken to the welfare of the Shramiks. For the first time ever, minimum wages have been increased by 42% in both agricultural and non-agricultural sector. Bonus coverage, the calculation ceiling limit has been doubled to rupees 7,000 and the eligibility limit increased from rupees 10,000 to rupees 21,000. This will directly benefit an additional 55 lakh workers. The universal account number has ensured portability of employees' provident fund accounts and has safeguarded the interest of crores of workers.